In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your account from Otter.ai. Now, if you've decided it's time to part ways with Otter, I've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide that will help you do just that. So, let's dive in together and walk through the process to ensure your account is deleted smoothly and securely. First, you'll need to head over to Otter.ai's website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in the URL. Once you're there, navigate over to the Learn How to Use Otter section. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with their platforms, terms of service, and privacy notices if you haven't done so already. But today, we're focusing on removing that account. After you've arrived at the Otter.ai page, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the email address associated with your Otter account. This will generally be displayed somewhere on your account dashboard once you're logged in. Make sure you log in with the correct email, as this will take you directly to your personal account settings, which we need to access for the next steps. Now let's proceed to the account settings. Within the dashboard, you'll typically find this option located in a drop-down menu. Click on it, and this will bring you to a page that houses various settings that allow you to manage your account preferences. Next, you'll want to click on the General tab or section. This section includes fundamental settings regarding your account's general configurations and is a step closer to where we can begin the deletion process. As you browse through the general settings, you should find an option labeled Delete Your Account and All Account Data. Clicking on this is the crucial step in eliminating your account. It's essential to understand that doing so will erase all personal data and recordings associated with your Otter account. Thus, take an extra moment to be certain you want to proceed with this action. After you've clicked on the deletion option, you'll be prompted to sign in again for verification purposes. This extra step ensures the security of your account and confirms that it is you making the request to delete. Enter your credentials and you're all set, and there you have it. Following these clear steps will lead to the successful deletion of your Otter.ai account. Remember, taking the time to go through these actions ensures your personal data is handled and removed appropriately. If this is a step you need to reverse, you might need to set up a new account